In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shareable study guide in FigJam. To get started, open your FigJam board or create a new one if you don't already have one ready. This gives you a blank workspace where you can build and organize your study guide. If you want, you can start completely from scratch, but in this example, using a template is a faster and easier option, especially if you want a clean layout right away. Once your board is open, go to the top right area and click the templates icon. It usually looks like a small grid. This will open the template panel where you can browse ready-made layouts. In the search field, type something like study to find study-related templates. Then take a moment to look through the available options and choose the one that fits your needs best. When you find the template you want to use, hover over it and click Add Template. Give it a few seconds to load and appear on your board. After the template has been added, you can begin customizing it just like any normal FigJam board. This is where you make the study guide your own and adjust it to match the subject, format, or level of detail you need. Use the bottom toolbar to explore the editing tools. You can draw directly on the board with the marker, use the highlighter to emphasize key information, or add decorative elements like washi tape if you want the guide to feel more visually organized. You can also insert sticky notes, shapes, connectors, text, sections, and tables. These tools are helpful for structuring ideas, separating topics, and making the guide easier to review later. If you want to rearrange anything, simply select the object and drag it to a new position. If an item feels too large or too small, click it and use the resize handles that appear to adjust it. And if there are parts of the template you don't need, select them and press delete to remove the clutter and keep your board focused. When your study guide is ready, click the share button in the top right corner. In the share window, choose who should have access. You can set it so that only invited people can open it or allow anyone with the link to access it. Then decide whether they should be able to view only or edit the board. After that, click Save, then copy link. Now you can send that link to anyone you want to share the study guide with, and that's it. You've successfully created a shareable study guide in FigJam.